SEO plus AI. Friends, this is happening for the first time on YouTube. This is a free practical course covering SEO and artificial intelligence that Marketing Fundas is now launching for all of you. We all are aware of the fact that how artificial intelligence has really impacted the entire digital marketing industry. Even it has impacted every single business. Now this artificial intelligence that we have, how are we going to apply its optimal usage in a practical way in SEO so that you can perform better SEO, get results much faster, save your valuable time to earn more income. So you'll be able to achieve all of these through this course. It's for 2025, the latest course. And along with SEO, various artificial intelligence tools and their use in SEO for various different purposes, like if we do keyword research, or we need to create a blog, or maybe we need to create a landing page or even a full website, or for SEO purposes, we need to humanize the AI generated content or need to get content written using AI. Many different kinds of tasks like these that are done in SEO using AI. How will they be performed at a professional level? How will these tools be used? You'll be taught all that in this SEO course. But this doesn't mean that the base or the fundamentals of SEO or the main SEO will be skipped. No, not at all. At a complete level, we will cover SEO on page, off page, technical, and all these things will be taught practically like in our previous courses. Hundreds of thousands have benefited greatly from those courses. They got jobs, they grew their businesses, they did freelancing. Now, because times have changed and you're getting the chance to learn a future skill. So friends, don't miss out on this course at all. This course is for everyone who already knows SEO, because SEO has significantly changed due to AI. So this course will update and upgrade you, and in the future, if you work on any SEO job after this course, so you can achieve growth there. If you learn from this course, you'll find many opportunities in the SEO field even as a fresher. And if you are learning for your own business, so very quickly, you will save time, money, boost productivity, and get good rankings. So who all are going to learn from that exciting course? Those interested, please write in the comment section, yes, I will learn. Yes, I will learn. Yes, I will learn. Friends, this comment section will show us how many people want to learn from this course. And considering how much effort our team is putting in to bring this course to you, your comments will show your love and support. And the more we get, the more energy we'll put into this course, making it practical and extremely useful for you. Please friends, do comment. I'll reply to each one of them. And you can share this course with all the people who genuinely want to upgrade in their digital marketing career, or they want to use AI power in digital marketing. So my friends, I'm eagerly waiting for the comments. Please comment generously. And please subscribe to the channel right now and press the bell icon, because for the next 2 to 3 months, you'll be getting regular informative videos. We'll teach you the entire course thoroughly. Therefore, don't miss any videos, subscribe and press the bell icon. Don't miss out on anything. And I really hope that you're learning a lot from our channel through various courses. Along with that, recently we have also launched a complete and live batch on AI and digital marketing, where we've planned that you'll learn direct from experts with live classes and doubt sessions with certification. For that, also make sure to call at provided number. Okay? And make sure to enroll today itself. So friends, let's truly begin this amazing SEO and AI course in 2025 and add this amazing skill to our lives. Let's learn. Thank you.